Hello friends, in this video we will study about attribute and elements in XML. Okay, before proceeding further guys, make sure to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, this will give me motivation to create this type of informative content for you. So let's begin about attribute first. Okay, first you must know about that XML element can have attribute just like HTML. Okay, attribute are designed to contain data related to a specific element. Okay, I write some code here like person, gender is male. Okay, sorry. So always be remember that attribute value must be always be in quotation inside the quotation marks. Okay, I write male inside the quotation marks. So attribute always be inside the quotation marks. Quotation marks, either single quotation marks or double quotation marks, whatever you can be use. Okay, but always inside the quotation marks. Okay, but if I write for element in XML, how I will can write in the element format in XML. In elements format, and in the single quotation marks you can write like this. Okay, and if the attribute value itself contain double quotes, then you can use single quotes. You can see this. This is in the double quotation marks, and this George and Ziegler in the single quotation marks. Okay, and I will show you XML. Elements is XML and attribute. I will show you some difference between them. That's why I write some code on the notepad. I open my notepad and I write some code here, and I will show you some difference between your elements and attribute. First is person, gender, male, and then first name. First name, suppose Rani. First name and second name, last name Kumari. Okay, then your closing tag, that will be your person. Okay, so this is your attribute because this mail is available inside your quotation marks. Okay, and for elements, I will save this notepad, not XML. I will show you in. I will display in the XML format. You can see this. You can see this. This is the attribute inside the quotation marks, and it will display on the XML format. Okay, so this is your attribute. So now I will write some another code for elements. Elements is tree like a structure, and person. In this same code, I will write without using attribute. I use only elements. Gender, male, gender, and remaining all the same code. So I copy and paste over here. You can see this. Again I save and I open this. Acha, to extra content of the element of the document. Extra, okay, we will not write extra content in the same not in the single notepad. Okay, so I will open another notepad and see your output for elements. Save. XML. Uh, you can see this my output. XML output. This is tree structure. Okay. So this is your attribute. Okay. And this is and the another code. This is your elements in XML. I will show you the difference between them, your attribute and your XML. So in this first example, the gender is an attribute. Okay, gender is an attribute. While in this second example, gender is your elements. Okay, you can see this. Okay, but both example provide the same information. Okay, so there are no rules about when to use attribute or when to use element in HTML because both provide the same information. So you can use either attribute or you can use either elements. There is no any difference between them. Okay, I hope you understood all these concept. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.